Hello everyone, my name is Joshua, and you know me for the type of content that I post, which is solving some interview or coding questions, whether they be leak code, well actually not leak code, the quality I have in that is, please don't check it out, well HackerRank and Code Signal. Those are the ones that I posted quite a lot of content for, whether it's JavaScript, Java, or MySQL. Those are pretty good content, feel free to check it out. Otherwise, I'm going to tell you guys I'm thinking to expand the type of content that I, or maybe not even expand, maybe transition into more interesting content. There's some ideas I have in mind. The first one I have in mind is to do some sort of development log, where I could show you guys my experience in my attempt to create a VR app. You could see, like in a previous video that I made with Oculus Quest, my experiences using it, and I thought it was pretty amazing. I never had the intention for that to be some sort of playthrough thingy, or like, you know, just videos other people like, oh guys, watch me stream me playing some games or something. My whole intention to actually buy it was seriously just to make some VR apps, because I think that's, people say it's the future. I think once you wear one, you definitely feel like there's definitely a lot that can be done with that one. It's just like, it's almost like you're within a dream, man. That's how I felt like when using the Oculus Quest. You're literally walking in a dream. It's like you're walking in a dream state, man or woman. Anyways, that's what I plan is. But if you guys want to see me make a VR game or my development log trying that one, I can definitely try to expand to other concepts. Like, I mean, I'm also playing with Unity, and maybe I could just make a simple Unity game tutorial with you guys. I am still learning about that, but we can learn together, give each other some tips. Another, optimistically, what I want to do is create some sort of Unity or VR game, and then I'll give it to you guys for feedback. You guys could play with it, and then you could give me feedback. So in this case, we have a mutual bond, like we're some sort of community helping each other create this awesome thing in the future. But that's a jolly look at that. A second plan that I have in mind is, we're already in that season where you're practically job searching or searching for an internship. I want to help people so that we both know that it's hard to find a job right now. I want to do my best to help each and every one of you, give you some, what I believe to be methods to improve your resume. I'm very hesitant to say advice or tips. I believe that people who want to be those like top 10 tips, or, I mean, I don't want people to imply that it's 100% always going to work. I'm going to tell you guys, you could A/B test my experiences and take what you think is right, and when you try it to yours, let's hope that it's successful. I can also help with interviews, basic interviews and resumes. So yeah, in summary, I could do those two things. One, development log with a VR game or Unity game, and second, it's just basically help you guys with your resumes and interviews. Third, I can still post content like I usually do. I'm still probably going to upload more content about using JavaScript and solving some questions with that one. It does take some time to create those videos, but yeah. Let me know if there's other types of content you'd like to see, guys. It'll be helpful if people are asking a lot of questions how to solve the problems, and you guys on one of my videos to answer that. It'll help if you share it to them. I'd really appreciate that. I'm trying to build my audience as much as I can in a timely fashion, but I want to make sure my quality is good. So if you have tips for that one, that would help, because I also have to balance the other parts of my life as well. Anyways, thank you for all who has been subscribed to my channel. I really greatly appreciate that. I'm just so happy when I see how far I went with that one, and it blows my mind that the number of hours people watching my content, it makes me happy. Hopefully I can reach the point that I can be a YouTube partner, and it'll be official, guys, and we'll make it. I have an optimistic feeling that maybe I could reach that 1,000 subscriber milestone by the end of this year. It's a crazy thought, but for some reason I think it's possible. Well, anyways, guys, thank you for watching my content, and stay tuned.